This is the command to change the color of the line that is going to be drawn next. Note that in the command, though, we have this syntax here. We have the name of the turtle that we use. I'm using the T instead of using the turtle, and then we use the word color. Now let me explain what is inside the parentheses. Color 1 here is my variable. Color change is my variable. And the other variables that are mine are count and color change. Now the other words, they are included in the syntax of the Python command. One thing more, this one here, the line continuation character, it is a backslash, and we use this only if the command line is too long. As I wrote here, the command is the new color when the calculated color change values for red, green, and blue respectively are applied to the current RGB numbers. Initially, remember we start our RGB with 111 or white for the polar cap, and then we change these numbers as we go down the line as we draw each new line. We added this one here, this one here, and this one here for the first, the second, and the third item of the new color tuple. The command above, when you look at this command here, it's quite complicated, so I simplified the explanation here. The command is just the same as this one here. New color is equal to the item of color 1 plus the item of color change times the count. Of course, this command here, it's not correct in syntax, so we cannot use this one. But just to explain to you the effect of the Python command that I put on the upper portion of the screen, let me continue. Now, the I here is the index of the tuple. The first I is 0. It's not 1. And then the second is 1. And then we continue with 2. We always start with 0 for the first index in the set of items for Python. So what does the formula imply? For example, if we're drawing a new line after the preceding line was drawn, what is the new R? What is the new R? The new R is equal to the initial color, the current value of the R, plus the color change value, which is negative 0.013 repeating. I underline that on the upper portion of the screen, times the count. We are in a loop, so we are counting. The first count is 0, and then we continue, and then we have 1, and then we have 2. Okay. What is the new G? It is the same as this one here. Note that the formula for new G is structurally the same as the formula for new R. So the only thing that is changed is the index here. So this is index 1 and index 1. And in the same manner, the formula for the third color, the blue, is structurally the same as the first one. The only thing that we change here is 2 and 2.